Introducing the 2020 Honda Civic. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. You look smart and sporty in the Civic sedan. It packs sophisticated style, impressive fuel efficiency, powerful performance, and advanced safety and connectivity technology. Best of all, it's simply a joy to drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, electronic stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Satisfy your craving for driving pleasure without sacrificing safety and efficiency. Get it all in the Honda Civic sedan.